once again. Man, I hear bird nesting. It's called not knowing what you're doing, Matt.
Crazy.
Know what I call it.
You see this? I'm fishing, dog. What do you mean?
It's called not knowing what you're doing.
You crazy. This thing crazy as a city.
The man's struggling out here, man. He out here trying to see how fast he can fix bird nest. How fast he can fix bird nest? Hey, it's sad, man. Look at him, man.
Damn.
How fast he can fix a bird nest. Bird nest 101. Woo! Huh?
I'll fix this bird nest real quick.
Look at him. Look at him.
Bro.
Look at him. Bird nest 101. That's what we're gonna start calling him. That's what we're gonna call him. Bird nest 101. Straight up.
See where I'm at, boy?
Oh, I'm getting the bird nest out. The fish bite my line. I gotta get out of the mouth. That's the only way. Well, I threw that thing about half a mile. Call a bird nest pro. BNP. BNP Nat. BNP Smith, bird nest pro.
I'm fishing, man.
Now you caster. Oh, yeah, boy.
Old dinosaur, boy.
Heck yeah. It look like it, didn't it? I clear it did. I'm out here.
Shit.
We out here. Man, I'm trying to show this man how to fish the whopper plopper, man.
You ain't hitting on nothing with that whopper flopper, man.
He ain't trying to take notes, so just doing what I gotta do.
Oh. You see what he's fishing with? Look what I'm fishing with. Uh-huh. Skill, boy.
A little skill,
You gotta have skill to fish with old bait caster.
a little skill.
Look at that, Zeddy. Look at that, Zeddy.
Is the bird nest?
No. Shoot, no. I'm out there.
Man, this man, the bird nest, so many times they actually gonna work at the cove over there. They said, man, apply. Apply.